Hi everyone, this is VCreed83 and today I have for you Bambox. Finally arrived! Now this month's theme is strange. I think it's strange. And I just can't wait to get into it. We've got an instant winner! We've got spoiler booklet. Beetlejuice! Love Beetlejuice. So, let's see what we've got inside. Got a baseball cap. A signed baseball cap. Gonna have to find out who that's signed by. Because I can't actually tell. Jesus Christ, I don't want to know what that is. Ah! Spinning top from Inception. And it says on the top, the dream is real. I'm sure that's Inception. Okay, what's this? Well, it's it's a baseball bat with nails. It's got the nails with it. I'm not quite sure what that's from, so I'm going to spoil that one. Got Demon Woods Killer. Revenge Bob, I have no idea. Ooh. Something in a fun little pouch. It's a pocket watch. That is so cool. I love pocket watches, which is a bit weird, I know, given my age, but can't wait to find out what that's from. Whew. I love Bambox. We got Grimm. Dynamite Comics. Man, it's got a kiss on the back. I like comics. Oh, got something else in here as well. We've got Gene Wilder. Signed. Is it Gene Wilder signed? No, I don't think it'll be Gene Wilder actually signed it, but signed Gene Wilder picture from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. That's everything in the box. So we're gonna definitely have to go through that because there's some stuff I didn't know. Right. We got the limited edition Beetlejuice pin. Beetlejuice! I do love it. I'm sorry, it's really cool. Okay. Stranger Things. Demogorgon killer replica with bat with nails. I don't know what that's all about. So I'm very confused on that one, but it looks cool. Alice in Wonderland White Rabbit pocket watch. Which is so cool. Oh yeah. White Rabbit on the front bit. I didn't actually look at the front bit, I looked at the back bit. But I love that. Next month's theme is watching. Ooh, that could be fun. Okay. Totem set from movie Inception. I was right. There's supposed to be a dice in there, but there isn't. Never mind. But I was right about that one. Bambox exclusive VIN Grimm Volume 2, Number 1 from Dynamite. So I'm happy with that. And then we've got this oh, it is Gene Wilder signed. Oh no, Mindy Wheeler. Mindy Wheeler signed. So, yeah. I do like that, it's really cool. I know a few people who will definitely like that. Gaten Matarazzo Dustin signed Stranger Things hat replica. And that's what that is. I don't know what this Stranger Things is, so I'm going to have to look it up. But that is this month's Bambox. So thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you more videos soon. Goodbye.